Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. Today, we are going to take a look at policy types inside of AgencyZoom. So let's take a look at them here. First thing to notice is that there are policy types and policy categories. Now, the difference between the two, policy category is a group of policy types. Policy type, obviously, being, you can see here, classic auto, non-owned auto, non-standard, personal, whatever. And they're all grouped by the auto policy type. Now, this can kind of help when it comes to organizing your policy types, making sure everything's clean, you've accounted for everything. Some examples would be obviously auto. You could have a fire that has home, renter, condo, dwelling fire, whatever. Different sects of commercial line. So all kinds of different things that you can use for the policy type, or the policy category rather, and add in those policy types. So you can add a policy type in two different ways. You can just come up here and click on this policy type button, and then you can select manually which category you want to go to, or you can just go to the category and click the policy type and it pre-fills it for you. Once you click add a policy type, it's going to ask you personal, commercial, or life and health. And if it's a property, to check this box so that way you can set the property location as well. So that's it for policy and policy types. Those are pretty straightforward and pretty easy. Obviously, you can see you can delete categories, you can delete things out of here, you can toggle certain policy types on or off. But this is going to be important when we look at carrier setup, which we're going to go do next. Talk to you then.